Whether your social media account is full of pictures of your kids, your pets, your travels, or everything in between, chances are you're using your phone as a window into your world. So here to take your phone photos to the next level, I'm joined by Canadian photographers Kael, Rebick, and Matt Barnes. Guys, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Okay, so what is the secret? I guess let's start there, like overview. What's the secret to a great shot? Does it depend on where you are? Does it depend on what you're photographing? What should we be keeping in mind? How does it work? I've got this in my pocket and I want to take a great shot. What should I be thinking?
I think that it's just like seeing the shot or seeing something that you want to share with others or something that's sort of, turned you on that you've seen. And, on a phone, you don't have to worry about, taking 100 pictures or 2 pictures. It doesn't cost you any more money to do that.
That's right.
So, yeah, take a chance on it.
Take a chance. If you there's a picture of you with your family. But you have some rules, right, about what makes a great shot, what to pay attention to?
I don't know. Sometimes you have rules and then you do something and it's the complete opposite of that, and it's, can still be kind of charming and nice. And
so even a mistake can be a great shot.
That's right, and that's the ideal thing about having your phone with you is that what I do is when I walk around, I see the world as how it would look as a still photograph.
Yeah, these are some of yours, and they're just beautiful.
And well, that one I took out of a bus window that was moving, like really fast on the highway. Yeah, and I wanted to capture that moment, but I couldn't stop, and all I had was my phone, so I just took the picture out the window, and then walking across the street in Toronto.
That's just gorgeous. And again, it's like I was saying during the commercial break, that one of the best camera is the one that you have with you,
that's
right? And that's our phone most times. It's hard not to look on social media and think that so many pictures look like other pictures. And you guys were telling us that there's something called Insta Repeat. That is there's examples of people who take the same picture over and over and over again.
I think the feed is people who take the exact same picture.
Yeah.
Right, like they go to the same place that they see on Instagram and then they try and repeat it.
Why would somebody want to do that? Why would you want to be part of? I mean, do you think in some ways they think that they're doing something unique?
No.
No.
I
think
think that partially it's because those photos are popular.
Okay.
Right. So and they also think they're beautiful. So they say, I want to go there and I want to take that picture.
So, but these places are beautiful.
Exactly.
Right? So how would you go to that place and what would you recommend to these people instead of taking that picture? Like, what would you tell them about taking a picture that's unique?
I don't object to taking a picture that someone else has taken because it's not the exact photo and because it's nature, you're going to get different conditions, different lighting. You're going to be wearing a different hat, right?
Okay,
so,
a different hat there. I mean, I love that.
Oh, that's my niece.
That's great. Instead of that picture of the ice cream, it's a variation on it. That's great.
It's cute.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay,
well, I brought a few examples of my own pictures. I do not pretend to be a good photographer, but I do like taking pictures. I use my Instagram feed almost as sort of a chronicle of my kids more than anything else, and just some fun stuff that happens in my life. So I'd love some feedback. So can we show some of these pictures? So it was kids and family playing in the pool. That's not bad, right? That's not a bad picture.
It's a good shot. It's a nice day and nice memory. I think that it's any family snaps are amazing. My kids love going through my phone and seeing pictures of them when they were babies, and it's
okay. Let's show another one here.
Oh, that's great.
I thought that was good because there is a little bit of backlight, unlike what Brandon suggests.
I love that natural light, and that is a beautiful photo.
Now, one of you was referring to symmetry. I got symmetry all the time with my boys, so I thought that was a pretty good one. That was the day before they went to camp. They came home looking a little grimier than that. And there's another symmetry with the eyes, I think. These are good, though, right?
Yeah, I think you're natural.
Great.
I always ask myself, is it something I'd be willing to frame? That to me is a good picture. Because it's great to have pictures on your phone, but I ask, what if I printed it up? I print that one up too because he reminds me.
We don't do that enough. It's nice having physical prints is a really nice thing.
And I think if you like it and it's a memory you want to preserve, then
are there some a lot of people they'll take a picture, it could be an average picture, and then they just flip to a filter and they think that makes it a good picture. What are some tricks to taking just an average picture and amping it up a little bit?
I think exposure obviously is like like a massive thing. I mean, you see people trying to take pictures at dinner at night, and it just doesn't really work. So I think that, yeah, learning which filters can kind of enhance like highlights and shadows.
Without
and
making
kind
it
of
all about that filter, though, right?
For sure, yeah. It's like, yeah, stuff that you see the filter before you see the photo obviously is a bit of a fail. So it's, yeah, it can enhance, warm stuff up, and make stuff, you know, cool.
Make stuff cool. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate
Thanks for having
it.
us.
And we'll be right back.